Yes, good afternoon everybody. Introduce, my name is Eko Juandi. Here I will discuss the development of the business world for time to time. Check it out. Okay, development of the business world from time to time. The early era of the immigrants of human civilization. In the beginning, society did not recognize its height because everyone tried to fulfill their needs with their own efforts. Man hunts when he is hungry, make his own clothes from simple materials, looks for food for his own consumption. In short, what he gets is what he has to meet the needs of himself and his family. Number two, the era of money exhausts better. Subsequent developments confront humans with the fact that what the products themselves is not enough to meet all their needs. To buy goods that cannot be produced by themselves, they look for people who are willing to accept the goods they have for other goods needed by them as a system of better immigrant that is good well exhausts for goods, but in the end, many disqualifies are failed with this system. Among them are the difficulty of finding people who have the desired goods and are also willing to exhaust the goods they have, and the difficulty of obtaining goods that can be exhausted with each other with a balance exhausts fall on almost the same fall. Number three, the era of the immigrants of money. The advent of money made trading easier and more efficient. Money functions as a medium of exchange that can facilitate exchange. People who will make an exchange do not need to exchange goods, but simple as money as a medium of exchange. The disquality of exchange by means of better can be overcome by exchanging money. Humans are also starting to think about who to get more profit in business. They began almost to the specialists in producing a few types of goods, service, because they realized that production costs worth their size, and they were able to produce goods in like quantities, selling goods in more expensive than the cost of production in the extent of business activities that are still far today. Number four, Industrial Revolution era. The Industrial Revolution was the period between the years 2000 in which massive change occurs and agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transportation, and technology, and had a profound impact on social, economic, and cultural conditions in the world. The Industrial Revolution started in Great Britain and spread throughout Western Europe, North America, Japan, and finally the rest of the world. The terms manager and management operate in this era exploratory business owners are starting to realize that production activities requires organization and products to run somebody ex ante in the main topic. Number 5. The era trade spending roads along with the development of spectrum knowledge and our needs of three traders that there were other civilizations in this vast world. Land trade routes began to every followed by sea trade routes. Whence goods from other countries and other countries cannot produce on their own are a good source and income for traders what there to look for them. Of course, free trades and fights became a major problem for traders in this era. In the fashion, there was a lot of globalization in various countries and trade parties such as the FLC and AEC immigrate on the will now trade with the Silk Road and Ferment Middle Eastern India, spiving route making Indonesia in race of space. Number 6, era after World War II. War innovation makes Temerdown's contribution of the development of technology. Business are becoming scanning devices. Computers began to be as the assistant production of fashion. Multifunctional components and conglomerates began to appear in various parts to the world. The media revolution gave rise to television, radio, magazine, and newspapers, which became the main tools for mass production on products on our service. In this era, that system of marketing is growing rapidly, and until now, marketing is still a hot topic that consists of the development. Of 7. Digital age atau digital business. The internet market of a new era from the business world. The internet that development in the late 1990s after state. Many companies of the invest in it. Today, technology has become an inseparable part to everyday life. In plus, money gain companies are receiving profit from the technology sector, such as Google, Samsung, Apple, and other companies. Innovation in the key to the success of these companies in this digital era. There are more and more opportunities and can be thrown into new business. Okay, so from my education about the development of the business world from time to time, let us be able to follow the development of this world's business. Let's we not follow. In not following can cause us to late, late and very late fall behind. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody.